To grow a cactus indoors, place it in a bright, sunny spot that gets around 8 hours of sunlight per day. If your cactus starts to turn brown or yellow, it might be getting too much direct sunlight. In that case, move it further away from the light. Water your cactus thoroughly every 10 to 14 days during the spring, summer, and fall. Overwatering can kill a cactus, so skip watering if the soil is damp. Only water your cactus about once a month during the winter, since it will be dormant. Fertilizing your cactus once a week during the spring, summer, and fall with a 10-10-10 liquid fertilizer will help it grow. Plan on repotting your cactus once a year in a pot that's one size larger than its current pot so it continues to grow.